Today, we're doing something we've never done before. Someone asked me to update my protein ranch dressing recipe. And seeing that my original pictures for this recipe were taken with an iPhone 4, I'd say it's time for that update. This updated protein ranch dressing is even more delicious than the original and takes no time at all to prep. So let's jump right into it. If you have any other older recipes you want me to update, drop them below. Start this one with either a food processor or mixing bowl. A processor will give you a better result. Add right into whatever you're using 8 ounces of a high protein plain Greek yogurt, 2.5 ounces of sour cream, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of dill weed, 1 teaspoon of chives, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and for even more protein, 1 scoop of an unflavored protein powder. But if you're using a high protein Greek yogurt, this is probably not needed. Now to make this even easier, you can alternatively use a ranch seasoning mix. I'm going to put how to use this in the metric conversions for every ingredient here on the website, which is linked up here or below in the description. Go ahead and process or mix everything together until smooth. You may have to scrape down your sides if you're using a food processor. You can also add in water here to thin it out, which you'll likely need to do if you're using a protein powder. Make it as thick or as thin as you want. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips. Number 1, change it up. More garlic, some chopped up cucumber or jalapenos, add in bacon bits or a taco seasoning, and so on. Number 2, if you don't have access to some of the ingredients here, I'll put substitutes on the website. Number 3, if stored properly in the fridge, it should last around 5 to 7 days. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was Bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many carrots. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it, in grams, will win either a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked this updated recipe. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. Yeah, sorry.